Hello, my name is Z, and if you're watching this, then I'm dead. And that death may actually come at the hands of TJ in the next few minutes. Apparently the TeknoTard wardrobe malfunction prank I engineered for his vacation went too far, trapping him in a full-body suit made of a non-breathable fabric. A suit which quickly filled with perspiration and other body fluids. A suit also powered by uranium-ion batteries, which apparently don't mix well with water or body fluids. I guess they become uranium batteries. From what I've heard, the doctors in Barbados were eventually able to straighten and reattach most of his nerve endings. Well, I guess we'll find out in a few minutes. So, while we wait for certain doom, let's think about how tweaking one little thing, like a zipper, can potentially affect another thing, like nerve endings. It's true for TeknoTards, but it's also true for design. So, let's talk about 2D parametric drawing in AutoCAD. Now, this functionality can seriously cut down on your design revision time by defining persistent relationships between objects. So, parallel lines remain parallel, and concentric circles remain centered, all automatically. This is extremely helpful if you're up against a deadline. And by deadline, I mean your boss may be trying to kill you. Literally. Or your hypothetical new freelance client, who has promised not to kill you, may be on a tight schedule to instead wipe out a hypothetical city block. Or 200. So, let's take this random design, for example, a giant laser gun sight mechanism. Now, I have a number of different lines and circles here, some of which are constrained. Now, let's say I want to change the length of one of these lines because it will either increase or decrease the accuracy of the sight, and therefore the effectiveness of the weapon it might or might not be attached to. I'll of course need the rest of the drawing to change with it. Now, do I want to do this manually? No. But if I assign parameters that establish this line's relationship to other lines, or constrain the distance, length, angle, or radius of other related objects, I can change one little thing, and the rest of the design changes with it automatically. Oh, hello, sir. You're looking, well, the skin discoloration is barely noticeable. Sir, I would just like to apologize for the wardrobe malfunction. I certainly didn't mean to. I didn't. What that? Sir, look, I'm trying to apologize here, okay? Look, I don't know what that is supposed to mean, the kissing, but I assure you, No, seriously, what are you doing? Is this some sort of, like, kiss-off? Like from The Godfather? What am I, like Fredo to you? What? Okay. Wow. That was creepy. Looks like TJ just wants to draw this out. You know, torture me a little more. It's fine. Great. Okay, let's get back to that file. Let's see, where were we? Oh yeah, the accuracy line. Right, we were trying to decide whether to make this line shorter, and therefore decrease the accuracy of this potential doomsday device, or to make the line longer and increase the accuracy. Decisions.